Hi, this is Technical Channel Online. This is my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like share of all the videos. Today I show you how to sign in VLC portal or volume licensing portal. Last few days Microsoft says to sign in your VLC portal with your Azure account or Microsoft 365 account. So today I show you how to log in VLC portal with your work account or with Azure account or 365 account. So click the first link and this is the portal volume licensing. So you need to sign in. Click sign in. Here you see the sign in portal. Here is the two option: work account, that's mean company account, Azure account, Microsoft 365 account, and the second option is the Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, or Hotmail account. So I have the Outlook account, so I click the second option and sign in with my Outlook account. This is my Outlook account. Input it and next. Put the password and sign in. I have the two-step verification code in my phone. That's I need the code. So I have input my code number and verify. Then click yes or no if you want. No thanks. Now entering the VLC portal, here is show the action recorded. This is the main things which I want to describe to you. Actually Microsoft says if you have the VLC portal, you need to sign in with your Azure account or 365 account. Microsoft take a step single on sign in. That's why they make this policy to sign in your VLC account with your own account like Azure account or 365 account. In this situation you have three steps: sign in your work account, take action, or skip. I just copy this information and take it my notepad. In this situation I have signed in with my Outlook account, so I just skip this step. So click step. So I already enter my VLC portal. All of my option is shown in here and the mail address is shown in here, the outlook.com. You can show your all license in this tab and your account outlook.com. Now I am sign out and sign in again, and here you show the action recorded option, and I am trying to sign in new account or take action. So click take action if you have don't account. Now you need to sign up a new account. So this is the new account page. Enter your mail address. I enter my mail address and next set up my account. Click setup, then your name. Fill up the below information and click next. After fill up the information, click next. Now enter your phone number and send verification code and verify your account. After verifying, the next step is very important. Here you see the domain name option, so you need to set up a domain name as like you want. I set in here STPL LIC and check it available or not, and it show available. So next, now you set a username as like your name or anything else. I set admin and set up a secure password. Confirm your password, then click the sign up, then click sign up. Now click get start. Here is the complete your mail address. This is the mail address and the verification code sent to your primary account. I have saved these documents in my notepad. Now click the get start. A new tab is open. Here is you need to sign in with your new account, admin account or Microsoft 365 account or Azure account. I have the Microsoft 365 account and input it and sign in. After entering the Microsoft 365 account, you can see here this is the admin account which I already create, and this is the 365 account. You can check it by user, active user, and here you can see this is the admin account. This is the basic configuration of Office 365 account. You can find some information like license or product service. Actually, there is no product. This is a trial account or your Office VLC portal account. If you need a license, CSP license or Office license or any other product, Microsoft product license, you can purchase by this mail address. Then you can see here the product line, all of your license. Now going to the VLC portal, the Outlook portal, and I sign out it and sign in with my Office 365 account. So it already sign out and click sign in. Now I sign in with my work account first on. So click first on and input your 365 account which I already newly created. Submit. After submit, here you see in this page you need to verify with your business mail ID. So here is show the two options: sign in, already you have the account, sign in, or if you have the new account. So I have the new account. Actually I already recently I created, so I choose the second option, click the new account. So in this page you need to verify your primary account. So Outlook is my primary license business mail ID, so I input it and confirm. Check it and then click submit. After submitting, here you see the confirmation mail from the primary account. It can be 15-minute maximum time. Go to your inbox, check your mail and confirm by this link. So I have the already signed in with my Outlook account and I see here the mail came and I click this link and confirm it. So by clicking this link you going to the new VLC portal and set up your license your country, and last one is the very important, your full name address, which you purchase your license by the name. So input this name. I have purchased my license by this name, Smart Training Academy, so I input in here and I accept. After clicking this accept, I logging or entering my VLC portal, but the mail is different. Actually, this is mail is the Office 365 account, and all of my licenses here. You can check check in here. Click the download and key. All of my licenses here. You can also check the my preference, and this is the primary account. Outlook account is my primary account, and manage user. You can see the other three user is here. So by this process you can transfer your all VLC license to one account to another account. Now I am close this account, close the all tab and sign out and sign in again with this Microsoft 365 account and check the action required notification come or not. So I'm signing with my recently created 365 account. I input it here and submit. Input your password, sign in, yes or no, as you wish. Now entering VLC portal by the Office 365 account. You don't see in here the notification action required to sign in your Azure account or 365 account. Now I am again checking with my Outlook account and what happened in there. I click the Microsoft account. Now sign in with my Outlook account. Verify your account by phone number. Input your verify code and verify. Then after entering your VLC portal, you can see here the action required is much needed. So this is the process to avoid this action required. You need to sign in with your VLC portal by Microsoft 365 account or Microsoft Azure account. So who have purchased VLC license, you must need to sign in with your VLC account by Microsoft Azure account or 365 account, and this is the process which I try to show you to create a Microsoft Azure account or Microsoft 365 account and sign in with your VLC portal without any interruption. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment on these videos. Thanks. Have a nice day.